Hello friends, this is Dr. Anu Vashisht, your root canal specialist, and today I would like to talk about hybrid layer. This hybrid layer forms an integral part of the adhesive dentistry. The adhesive interface or the bonding interface depends upon the hybrid layer. The quality, the thickness, the uniformity, the distribution of the hybrid layer is the one that is determining the bond strength. Now, the most revolutionary achievement in the adhesive dentistry was when Bonnecour gave the concept of acid etching. Now, acid etching is nothing but creating surface roughness on the substrate so that the resin, it can infiltrate and form a micromechanical bond. So most commonly we use phosphoric acid in a concentration of 37% in order to clean the surface, increase its surface energy, increase its surface area, and to create macro and micro porosities. Now, once we have micro porosity or roughness on the substrate, now the substrate here is basically the enamel and the dentine. Now, to this surface we apply the primer. What is primer? Primer is nothing but the adhesion promoter. It is a hydrophilic monomer. It is hydrophilic because the dentine has got water content. So, a primer is a hydrophilic monomer which infiltrates these microporosities. And after the application of primer, we apply the dental adhesive. Now, this dental adhesive is a bifunctional molecule, that is, it is hydrophobic plus it is hydrophilic. Now, why do we need this bifunctional nature? Because on one side it will be bonding to the hydrophilic dentine and hydrophilic primer, and on the other side it will be bonding to the hydrophobic composite restorative material. So basically this interface of the dentine and the resin infiltration, this resin dentine interzone or interdiffusional zone is nothing but the hybrid layer, and the uniformity, the thickness and the stability of this hybrid layer is basically governing the bond, and the bond is essential for the survival of the restoration. I hope it is clear. Thank you.